Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your favorite radio station using Sonos Era 5. And to do this we have to open this icon in the application, and for example we can find the location. So we can do this by location, and we can go for example for the North America, and we can go for Canada, and we can go for example for Ontario, and we can go to the Deer Lake. Okay, looks like there's no any radio stations, but in the girl tone we can find 3 different. So let's pick this one for example, tap to play, and as you can hear and see right now we are on this radio station from the Canada. And if you want to add it to the favorites, just click right here. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.